Kristin, founder of Paracletus. Wouldn't it be great if the healthcare experience in the United States improved? Would that interest you? What would it look like? Please allow me to introduce you to Paracletus, your digital health advocate. How does the patient or caregiver navigate the healthcare maze? It's complex. You have questions on your active health insurance coverage or medical bills, and you turn to your doctor, pharmacist, medical staff, hospital personnel with questions only to be referred once again to your health insurance company. So you call them, you're put on hold, you're transferred around. It's a headache that many of us are familiar with nationally. Like this Rubik's Cube, many different directions you can go in, but which one is the most direct? If you're like me, I don't even know where to start. Wouldn't it be nice if it was like this? The Paracletus solution. A fast, easy-to-use digital health platform where you ask the question and are notified when it's posted. This information is then available on the platform for future reference or export versus, where did I put that piece of paper? Think of it as having your own digital concierge support when having questions on your active health insurance plan, medical bills, or finding the right physician. The treatment may be complex, but the patient experience should not be. The benefit of Paracletus: less effort, faster results for patients or their caregivers. We're excited to connect you with a digital health advocate to make the medical journey less taxing.